The friendly family at Geenie Bakery has been serving up delicious meat pies to Blackburn Hamlet for a couple of years now, and now we want to share this local gem with all of Ottawa.
Mustafa. I'm here with Mustafa today at Geenie Bakery in Blackburn Hamlet, and Mustafa's going to tell us a little bit about his business. Mustafa, tell me a little bit about it. What do you do here?
Well, basically we make Lebanese pies, and we've been here about for 2 years, and it's a beautiful neighborhood. The people here are amazing. During the pandemic, it's been a bit of a struggle, but overall, it's been amazing. It's a nice place, everyone's friendly, and it's nice being in a small neighborhood so that whenever someone comes in, you know them, they're by name, you really know the person, you know what they want.
Right,
Nice.
yeah. So they're a community business here. They're local, they're from here, and it's well represented in the people who work here. Tell me about what exactly do you make here?
Basically, we have meat pies, which is dough spread with meat, and you have an option of adding spice and lemon. And we make meat and cheese pies, pizzas. There's a variety of items that you can get, and it's just like everything you want is here.
Amazing, sounds great. If I had to try one thing today, one kind of pie or one meal, what should I have?
I really recommend the meat and cheese. It's our best seller. Everyone who comes in usually grabs one meat and cheese and then something else. The meat and cheese is essential. But overall, the meat and cheese and the chicken and cheese are the best sellers.
Amazing, sounds very good. You heard it here. Come try the meat and cheese and the chicken and cheese. You won't regret it.
Let's dig in. To see more of our friends and neighbors across Ottawa, click this link here. Like and subscribe to our YouTube so you never miss another video. Friends and neighbors across Ottawa,
Let's dig in.